Hello folks, Lon Jenkins here. Hey, I'm just gonna show you what I did to my Honda HRX. I wanted to put one of the striping kits on there from Big League Lawns. So I'll show you my unboxing, and this is just a dry fit. I would always recommend a dry fit first when you're doing this. So don't put the silicone tape on immediately, because you're gonna wanna get an idea of where to actually put the roller. You're gonna see the handlebar clamps. Now, there are round ones and there are flat ones, and we'll get back to that later because it's very important with the Honda. So those are the L brackets. I'm gonna put them on, and I'm not gonna tighten too tight, just tight enough so I can do 1 or 2 passes in the line. Because you still need to know exactly how wide of a length it needs to be for the handlebars. So I'll tape measure that off and get that. It has heavy duty slide rails where you connect the L bars to. The constant weight of the wheels causes the grass to, push down to one side. So we'll put the top side, channel nuts on. You need a 9/16 wrench for the most part. So, or socket, or, I guess you could use pliers if you wanted to. I use 2 sockets so I could hold it while I'm screwing that in. That's what you see here. The wheels are very, very loose. They're like individual rollers with like these nylon bushings in them. So they roll very easily. That's why I have that brick there and trying to put it between my feet, because now I could sit it up on its side and make it easier, but I didn't figure that out until later. So just, word to the wise, just sit it straight up and down and do it. It'll be a lot easier that way. Now that I have 2 brackets on there, I put it close just to get a measure, and I'm like, okay, definitely need the 3rd one on there. So this is what I mean by a dry run. This is just a test run. I measured it out, made sure that, see how easy that rolls? So now I'm putting the mounting brackets on. These quick clamp mounting brackets. And it's pretty cool, but don't put the tape on right now, because you really want to see how this thing rolls in the position that you have it in right now. Now I take the little pin, I push it in there, and that's what makes it a quick connect. Whenever I want to put it up, I just pop that little pin out and I'm good. A little bolt in, little pin, and then it's in there. So it's not too hard to get this in and out if you needed to make room in your shed or garage. I tightened it up a little bit, and now I want to see, exactly how it goes. I'm gonna put it on the highest level. So I move the wheels up here. This was very difficult to move those wheels. I'm gonna have to clean some mud out from in there or something. I rinse this thing off all the time, but I guess when you only use it 2 or 3 times a year, stuff get caked in there. As I'm going down, it's laying the grass pretty flat, but what I can tell is I definitely need to move the mounting arms and brackets down because it's too straight up and down. The issue with the Honda is it's round up high. The handlebars are round up high, but they're flat the closer you get to the machine. So I'm gonna have to take those mounting brackets off and put the mounting brackets on made for the flat side of it. And you can see that little flat piece right here. So I'm glad I did this dry run. I didn't put the tape on. Now I can adjust and get an idea of exactly where it needs to be, and then I'll put the tape on. So for the most part, I see how I have to do this. So now I'm gonna go back, put it in the perfect position, and then maybe I'll cut it with the Honda, cut my line with the Honda one day next week. This has been the Lon Jenkins. Thanks for following along. Please subscribe.